Okay, I'm gonna show you how to progress to a pistol squat. So the first one is doing a pistol squat onto a bench. So you want something pretty close to like a regular bench press, about 24 inches off the ground. That's when you stick out a leg like a pistol squat, and just go down until you sit, then go back up. You will do that for each leg. Once that gets easy, you just want to lower the bench. So doing it more on a bench like this, which is slightly lower. Same thing, leg straight up and go down until you hit the ground, then go back up. Once that becomes easy, then you want to do assisted pistol squats. So you just get a bar on you for mainly just for balance. You don't want to pull yourself up with it, you just want to do it for balance. Then you will just go down, then go up. Once those become easy, then you're ready for the pistol squats. Kind of crunch your toes at the end to make it easier for balance. If in the beginning, if you struggle, you can touch the ground for balance, then go back up. Then if you want to take that even further, the two things you can do it. You can do it with weight, with like a weighted vest or a dumbbell, or you could do jump pistol squats. You have to go down, then go up and jump, land with both feet so you want hurt yourself with losing balance. You want to make sure you load up and getting that jump up. Just like this. How do you do the pistol squat?